After uploading a video to YouTube, computer-generated closed captions are automatically added to your video file. While computer-generated captions can be helpful, they often have significant errors and fail to meet accessibility guidelines. YouTube Studio provides an intuitive interface to fix common transcription errors, add speaker identification, and identify meaningful sounds within your video. To begin, navigate to the YouTube homepage and select your profile in the top right corner. Then, in the drop-down menu, select YouTube Studio. Once in the YouTube Studio, select Content from the left navigation pane. Then select the video you'd like to caption. Next, select the Subtitles option from the left navigation menu. Locate the automatic caption transcript and then select Duplicate and Edit. Select Assign Timings before continuing. At this point, you're free to scroll through the transcript and modify it. A good place to start is correcting any punctuation, capitalization, spelling, or grammar errors. Select a text box and begin typing to modify the text. It can be helpful to scrub through the video and listen closely to the audio while making these types of corrections. Another important thing to do in the Captions editor is add speaker identification. This indicates to the audience who is speaking at a given moment. Locate the text box where a speaker begins their part, and then at the very front of the text box in brackets, type the name of the speaker. In this example, there is only one speaker, the narrator. The last thing to do in the Captions editor is identify parts with meaningful audio, for example, sound effects or music. To do this, you'll need to add a new text box where the meaningful audio starts. Scrub to the place where the meaningful audio begins, select the blue plus icon, and then inside the new text box in brackets, describe the audio. You can manually adjust the timing of the caption using the timecode boxes. Once you've made these improvements to the video's caption transcript, simply select the Publish button. Now when someone views your YouTube video with closed captioning enabled, your revised captions will be displayed.